of course, maraming nagbe-benefit. Hindi lang yung environment, pati yung mga tao nasa paligid yung area.
Of course, hindi madali na mag-coastal cleanup, but somehow, it gives us awareness doon sa kung paano natin dapat pangalagaan yung environment.
I wish we can do more, and I think by volunteering more, we can make this environment clean, sustainable for living for all the species that's around here.
The more siguro na mas maraming tao and then marami yung nag-volunteer and then siguro kung mas maganda kung kaya ng araw-araw gawin ito.
To Mother Earth will thank you, of course, for what you're doing, and at the same time you can be a good example to the next generation, even if it's outside Wells Fargo or co-employees.
We hope na itong initiative na to ay magbubunga sa mas maganda at long-term na effect, especially for the future generations to come.
And I think in the long term naman, with collective effort and sustainable actions, if we keep on doing this, we'll be able to clean this area up